Hi, and thanks for your interest in our 2004 Tundra 4x4 access cab. My name's Ken Thompson, and we just took this one out on trade. It's finished in the paint color Imperial Jade Metallic, I believe it's called. The truck is in very, very good shape for 173,000 miles. It runs amazing. Factory tow hitch. Spray and bed liner, it's a Line-X. Tires are great. Everything works. I have one of these myself. It's a 2006, so pretty much the same truck. I checked all the things that typically go wrong on the inside, which includes the heater controls. They kind of bind up sometimes like mine are doing. This one works perfectly clear and smooth. And here's the inside. Keep in mind, it has not been through our detail shop yet, so it's not as clean as it's going to be. Doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, no pets. Just a really, really nice Tundra. These are hard to come by, and I don't think it's going to last long, so give me a call to set up a time to come and see it. 253-394-0046. Again, 253-394-0046 for Ken Thompson, Dachshund Toyota. Thanks for your interest and hope to hear from you soon.